Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Prakash, CEO Africa for Eon Reality Inc. Today, we'll be talking about Eon Global Knowledge Metaverse Program and the different grants Eon has for post-pandemic resilient recovery in education, enterprise, and communities. If we look at the market, this is expected by year 2030 that the augmented and virtual reality industry is expected to boost the global GDP by $1.5 trillion. There's a number of surveys and studies that have been made in this respect. Eon Reality is based in US in Irvine. Our 4 products: learn, train, perform, and collaborate. We have access to above 5 million 3D assets. We have got 42 million reviews. The Knowledge Metaverse program is connecting academic, government, and enterprise institutions all over the world. We have got presence in 100 countries, and we are launching large-scale rollouts. Now, Eon has just completed its registration on NASDAQ with a value of $655 million and an additional cash flow of $100 million as cash flow. Our company mission is that knowledge is a human right, and our mission is to make knowledge transfer accessible, affordable, and available to everyone on the planet. So how do we do that? And what is the value of Eon and our products in making this happen? Let's take a look at PwC, what they have got to say about how AVR is changing the education industry. Looking at Eon core SaaS products around learning, training, performing, and collaborating with a code-free XR. Before, it was difficult to create an XR. Eon has developed a tool that is easy to open and to work with. Users could take an asset and an environment and create impactful lessons and activities and replication and in AR and VR. You can see many examples of what it could like. We also did not stop here. We wanted to show what VR and AR could lead to unhealthy in escapism. We created our second product, which is Merge XR. Merge XR is going to allow us to scan a specific object and then bring it into a specific environment, and then bring this digital twin into our platform and go back to the physical object after creating some intelligence around that model, and be able to add annotations and activities, knowledge markers that go along with the market with this product. To allow for some collaboration, learning alone is not always optimal. We created special meetings designed to allow anyone, anywhere to teleport and connect, as we are seeing here, and with a much more advanced capability of being able to see each other represented by avatar and collaborating in a virtual space that may exist and not exist in real life. So this is spatial meetings. So we have got Eon XR, Merge XR, and spatial meetings. Next, we are going to address building your own Eon XR metaverse. Before, it used to be very difficult, and you take a big amount of time in coding, and most matter subject experts do not know how to do this. So what we wanted to do was making it as simple as possible. And the way we did it was by creating the metaverse builder, and what that means, either that we are just creating the metaverse by walking and talking. Now let's take a look what this looks like. We won't go through the whole video today, but we'll share with you the link that you can go through it at your leisure and see how it is more done in depth. And after that meeting, we'll set up a deep dive in order to review all the products and to see your requirements. So the Metaverse Builder, walk, talk, no code, no training. We have got customized avatars, Metaverse experiences, TVET trainings, virtual museums, architecture and design. These are just examples of what we have created together with our partners, and there are so much more we can share with you. 5.1 million assets that can be imported and loaded in seconds into the platform so that you can quickly start creating your lessons and experiences in a variety of fields that you can see on the screen here. And further with these video links, you can click on the various areas listed below. You can see here, whether it is in forestry, graph, languages, anthropology, whichever field, you can just find the links and you can find assets for these different examples. Now, the next program we are working on for E.ON is creating interaction. Creating interaction in the metaverse previously required a lot of programming, and you can see how complicated that was in this slide. So we wanted to build a solution that a user could create by simply touching and going without any coding, and this is E.ON Interact. And let us take a look at what this looks like. Again, we won't go through the whole video, but we'll send you the link so that you can review it at leisure. Yeah, I've got so many examples here. Now we'll be looking at Knowledge World, the land of education through collaboration. Infinite Land is a decentralized community platform where creative minds can gather, express, and exchange innovative ideas. Now let's take a look at what's going on here. Select your land and then your rooms on the selecting your land. Choose your different room, choose your different avatars, choose any language, choose assets if different fields. The avatar guided tool. We have got an overview of E.ON products and features. Learn, train, perform, collaborate, and earn with code-free XR and AR. So we have got E.ON XR for easy and easy to use. Merge XR, expand your reality. Special meetings, teleport and connect. Metaverse Builder, create by walk and talk. E.ON Interact, create by touch and go. And the E.ON Knowledge World, the land of education. E.ON Illuminate for persistent tracking, E.ON Universal for any XR device, and E.ON Marketplace for learn and earn. The Knowledge Metaverse. What's next? You may want to read the E.ON book, the Knowledge Metaverse book. The Eon book outlines the product roadmap vision for this decade and beyond. Summarizing our mission here, learn, train, perform, connect. We are in the focus on the various academic fields in K2s, TVETs, and higher education. You can see here the various fields we are in, examples of how we train, how we are using ABR to train in various engineering fields and others. Here you can see in water cooling and all. Here we have got our Eon academic customer partners. You can see we have got the most prestigious universities here, Nanyang University, Purdue. We have got Temasek and others, and we have additional more. It has been proven here that training cost is reduced from 60 up to 63 to 92% with ABR. Service training is 12 times faster, and operators training 2.57 times faster. Here you have got our academic partners, and you can see we have got Boeing, Shell, ExxonMobil, Honeywell, and it has been proven in industry that XR benefits is that productivity improvement from 34%. You have got here our base subscription rates for academic pricing and packages. For students, it is $36 per month, and for teachers, $55 per month. "70 countries have joined the Knowledge Metaverse program. The Eon Grant Guarantee Program was launched at the Asia Leadership Conference in July 2021 by our chairman. You can see how the contents and the platform sales have evolved drastically, exponentially over the COVID period, and now how it is going exponentially. You have got examples here, the various countries where we are present, and the government and academic institutions around the globe that are engaged in the Knowledge Metaverse program. You have got all these countries, Zimbabwe, Rwanda, Kenya, and the Knowledge Metaverse rollouts we have just signed with South Africa with Mercita for TVET training in Thailand, in India. We have got more Thailand and all. And here we have got in Morocco, Eon Knowledge Metaverse program. It's a joint venture with USAID, the government of Morocco, and 2 prestigious universities in Morocco. Here with Amtron in India, when the Assam province in India signed rollout for agreement of Knowledge Metaverse with Eon. In Thailand with German, with our Prime Minister, with the Prime Minister, together with Eon in Finland, discussing the Knowledge Metaverse. Eon Reality and Chow Public Company Limited expand Knowledge Metaverse into Thailand. The partnership with Los Angeles City College. With South Africa, with Mercita, we have signed a contract for national rollout to 57,000 students in partnership with Mercita and the government of South Africa. Here we're looking at the national rollout. And here you can see our chairman with the Deputy Prime Minister of Kuwait for discussing national rollout again. Why is Eon launching the Knowledge Metaverse Grant Program? As we said initially, our mission is that knowledge is a human right. And for the past 15 years, Eon Learn for Life has co-invested with intergovernmental organizations in Africa and other countries. And then we built the Knowledge Metaverse. The Knowledge Metaverse, we cannot do it alone. We need you to do it, and we need your contribution. We should also look at job creations for future skills. And also our Eon XR, it's give you the possibility for our partners to do their R&D and to add our key partner benefit and ROI. What you can see here, we have got, listen to our many partners that we have around the world. We can share with you the testimonies of our various partners globally, and we will send you this after the meeting. So you have got, and of course, we'll be interested with the partner benefits with the EON grant programs. It transforms education, learn faster, retain knowledge longer, and make better decisions with EON XR. Enhance education quality, return on investment from increased student enrollment, retention, satisfaction, and engagements. And you build your own IP and digital assets, and you can sell it on our marketplace where you have got 42 million viewers. So what are the grant program deliverables? We have got the infrastructure, the XR platform, the hardware, and the know-how and resources. The infrastructure, we have got it on Amazon Web Services, XR platform or EON XR, Merge XR, and the special meetings. And hardware, we have got 3D scanners, projector, 360 cameras, latest Apple device, and all. And then the know-how and resources, of course, we give you all the 9-step implementation plan, LMS integration, the resources center, and the global community for remote learning, training, certification level 1 and 2, faculty and students, self-directed learning. How is the grant programs implemented? So we start with the grant application process. There's an introduction meeting that we are doing right now. Then we get the submission on the online application, which is very easy to do. We get the committee determination within 10 days by the EON committee. And then you get the XR solution meeting for a deep dive. Then we give you an offer letter. And if you agree with the offer letter, you sign it, then we have got the delivery and implementation plan. And we should note that there is no financial obligations in submitting an offer, in submitting an application. Then we have got the EON, the implementation of the center. Here it's a case study by University for Business and Technology. That was just during the 3 months following the COVID pandemic lockdown. You can see here the exponential increase in the usage growth in the creation of 3D and 360 assets and the XR applications created. And we have got our Metaverse Academy, the Reimage XR Academy to build the knowledge metaverse is here. Welcome to the Connect from Anywhere world. It is to skill up for building the future knowledge metaverse and learn new XR skills from anywhere. You can see here that by 2024, about 5 million jobs will be created in XR. So there are so much of opportunities in this sector, as you can see. So with the Metaverse Academy, there are a million XR jobs in demand. Whatever your background, can be an administrator role, developer role, or in sales role. It depends on the profile of the student. And now a conclusion on EON Knowledge Metaverse Grant Program. EON Learn for Life covers 95% of the 150 million. Students learn faster, 4 times faster. School increase student enrollment, retention, satisfaction. You build your own IP and digital assets. Job creation opportunities for young ones, supporting private sector and new startups. It improves citizen safety, security, health, strengthens community social development cohesion, and you join the global knowledge metaverse network over with 75 countries. So here you have got our different grant programs. We have got our Future Skills grant program and research grant program, both where for EON is contributing $15 million. The local institutions, normally academic institutions or TVETs, they can contribute only $250,000 for these programs, and he is contributing for the others. So you can go online, we can see on the online applications with you how to effect it and how to do it afterwards. Then we get the Knowledge Metaverse Grant Program, which is for regional and national rollouts. And here, as I just mentioned previously, we have signed a contract with Mercita in South Africa, which is the government body, for the national rollout, which is 150 million, consisting of the EonXR platform, MergeXR, spatial meetings for 50,000 students and 750 interns. So our new Metaverse Grant Program, we got in education, we are learning faster, government is building IPs and digital assets, job creations, enterprise is supporting private sector, new startups, safety, security, and health in citizens, safety, security, and health, strengthens community and social cohesion, and finally you join the network of 70. This is an implementation project planner. Once we have signed the agreement, this is how we proceed for the implementation. Now we thank you for this meeting and we are looking forward to our next meeting with you. Thank you very much. Bye.